True enough, you are what you eat, but more importantly, what you put into your mouth reflects your digestive health. The health and cleanliness of the colon greatly affect your digestive tract as well. However, digestive problems aren't new to most, if not all people. No thanks to the unhealthy foods available to us. Because of this, it's a little challenging to keep your colon clean and healthy. Luckily, there are things you can do to naturally cleanse your colon, and of these is by eating certain superfoods. Do you often eat oats for breakfast? What about avocados and apples for snacks? These are just some examples of superfoods that support colon cleanse. Continue watching to find out what other foods made it on the list. Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it. What does the colon do? The colon is commonly referred to as the large intestine or the large bowel. This organ is found in the digestive tract of the body. Food is digested mostly in the small intestine where vitamins and minerals are extracted, after which the food goes to the colon. It's where water is taken out from the food and the bacteria in the colon aids in breaking down the food before it leaves the body. In a nutshell, a healthy colon serves as the cleaning crew of the body. Eat any of these 15 superfoods for a natural colon cleanse. Number 1. Oats. Lots of people these days use oatmeal soap to exfoliate the skin. What many don't know is that oats can also do the same to our intestines. Eating oatmeal is a safe, not to mention delicious way of cleansing the colon. It's mostly thanks to the oats' high fiber content. As such, oats and oat bran increase stool weight and often relieve constipation. Whether you cook oats like porridge, add to smoothies, use as crunchy toppings, or stir into soups, it doesn't matter because it'll still promote a healthy bowel. Number 2. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are commonly used in herbal colon cleansing products to help eliminate toxins from the body. It's because they contain a balanced level of soluble and insoluble fiber, which when combined serves as a natural cleanser and detoxifier. Flax seeds are a natural laxative that expands inside when it comes in contact with water. As a result, it adds bulk to stools, making their passage through the intestinal tract easier and faster. Moreover, flax seeds are rich in fatty acids, which can alleviate irritable bowel syndrome. Number 3. Lentils. One of the popular health benefits of lentils is that they aid digestion and cleanse the bowel. But unbeknownst to some, it's also a fountain of youth or an anti-inflammatory powerhouse brimming with phytonutrients and antioxidants. On top of that, it is one of the richest sources of fiber in the world. Those who consume the most fiber from vegetables like lentils are 35% less likely to have colon polyps. Supplementing with chia is also another excellent way to cleanse your large intestines. More info about this next. Number 4. Chia seeds. Adding just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into your favorite smoothie already gives you an impressive 10 grams of fiber. That's as much as 40% of your daily fiber needs. Small as they may be, these tiny seeds are packed with fiber and fats that promote healthy digestion and a clean colon. They also have soluble fiber, which binds with food to optimize the digestive process. Additionally, fiber helps flush out toxic chemicals and other substances like cholesterol from the system. Number 5. Avocado. Guacamole, anyone? Besides tasting yummy, the avocado also has a nutrient-dense profile that makes it a worthy superfood. More importantly, it benefits people in terms of both digestion and detoxification. Thanks to the fruit's plentiful soluble and insoluble fibers and healthy fats, it promotes regular healthy bowel movements and cleanses the colon. Those same fibers also help reduce the chance of getting colon cancer. So if you're looking to maintain your colon health daily, avocados are your best buds. Number 6. Apple. Regardless of the form, apple promotes colon cleansing. These crunchy and delicious fruits are high in antioxidants and cleansing properties. First off, they're brimming with soluble fiber, which then adds bulk to stools and may help relieve IBS in some people. Additionally, apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that helps rid of all toxins from the colon and strengthens the intestinal lining. Hence, whether you want to eat them as whole fruits, juice, sauce, or even in a vinegar form, they'll do their job. Number 7. Walnuts. One of the most notable benefits of walnuts is that it supplies a couple of grams of fiber per ounce. Another benefit is that they contain omega-3 fatty acids in the form of alpha-linolenic acid. For this reason, doctors recommend these yummy snacks for naturally cleansing the large intestines or the colon. Based on animal research, eating walnuts creates a healthier gut environment and may reduce the development of cancerous colon tumors. Do you enjoy eating fermented foods, say yogurt? You should start exploring your options if you want to get rid of toxins in your colon. Here's how yogurt does this. Number 8. Yogurt. Yogurt is most famous for its gut-healthy probiotics. Thus, eating such a fermented dairy product regularly can cut the risk of colorectal cancer by a substantial 38%. Also, probiotics or healthy gut bacteria can reduce some of the gas associated with eating beans and cruciferous vegetables. Number 9. Salmon. Thanks to its abundance in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon has cemented its place on the superfoods list. Besides benefiting the heart with its omega-3s, salmon is also a colon-friendly food. In fact, omega-3s from fish can reduce the risk of colon cancer. Many studies have shown that its intake in the right quantity of fattier fish like salmon can reduce colon inflammation, as well as improve gut health. Number 10. Spinach. Vegetables in general have always been known to significantly kickstart a healthier lifestyle. Spinach in particular, as well as other leafy greens like kale, are great for cleaning the colon. This superfood also has chlorophyll, which aids in eliminating the colon's bacteria and healing the gastrointestinal tract's mucus lining. Oh, and don't worry, even if you consume spinach daily, it won't lead to embarrassing gas, unlike broccoli. Feel free to add your spinach to salads, entrees, and even smoothies. Number 11. Beets. There's a reason why beets are a popular option for healthy detoxing juice, boasting an exceptional nutritional profile with its plethora of valuable vitamins and minerals. There's no doubt how beets are considered a superfood. As for its detoxification reputation, it's thanks to the veggie's dietary fibers, which are effective at cleansing the digestive tract and keeping things moving. Not only does beetroot support digestive and colon health, but it also boosts the body's overall detoxification mechanisms. Albeit not the most known herb, fennel is a hidden gem. Next up explains the role of fennel in colon cleansing. Number 12. Fennel. Fennel is a perennial herb that belongs to the carrot family. Its aromatic shoots, leaves, and seeds all have several medicinal uses. The seeds, for instance, are famous for their digestion benefits and bloating relief. The main ingredient responsible for most of the herb's benefits is fenchone. Fenchone helps relax and smooth muscle lining in the digestive tract, making it a necessary ingredient for colon cleansing products. Furthermore, fennel seeds can help soothe swelling or irritation in the intestines. Number 13. Garlic. Eating garlic alone isn't the most pleasant thing, but if you use it as a spice, then that's another story. This pungent root herb has amazing benefits to the colon and the body overall. It has antiviral, antibacterial, and antiparasitic properties, all of which help remove toxins, pathogens, and parasites from the digestive tract, especially the colon. What's more, garlic acts as an antioxidant, reducing inflammation for better digestion and better absorption of food nutrients. Number 14. Ginger. Ginger is a widely used home remedy for people with IBS or irritable bowel syndrome. Because of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger could potentially alleviate IBS symptoms. This staple food is also used in many detox programs because of its ability to cleanse the body. It does this by stimulating digestion, circulation, and sweating. Such activities can help cleanse the buildup of waste and toxins in the colon, liver, and other organs. Number 15. Turmeric. Turmeric has been gaining a lot of popularity these days. Known to fight inflammation, turmeric is used by many to solve the gut issue. Inflammation leads to more imbalances and creates an environment for the most harmful bacteria, viruses, and yeast to thrive. But consuming turmeric regularly can reduce mucus in the colon and stool. In addition, thanks to turmeric's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, it contributes to healthy digestion. Which of those colon-cleansing superfoods do you enjoy eating? Do you see yourself eating the other foods too? Leave your comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.